Gemini Ultra versus Pro versus Nano. Which is better? Google Gemini is the latest large language model made after months of constant efforts by DeepMind. It possesses a plethora of potential that would certainly blow your mind. All these versions work similarly in different cases. They're lightweight, efficient, and capable to perform an extensive array of tasks within a blink of an eye. Let's dive into the details, know the differences among all of them, and find out who takes the crown. Google Gemini Nano. Google Gemini Nano fosters a noble era with multimodal functionalities that assist in staying organized. It consists of its own two more variants that are Nano 1 and Nano 2. It helps you to be more productive, creative, and expressive at the same time, which is available worldwide. Alphabet-owned Google has collaborated with different partners for this efficient model, such as Moto Razr and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 on Android. Google Gemini Nano is pioneered in the entire Pixel 9 series. Users can have a free-flowing conversation with Gemini. There will be 10 different voices to choose from, Dipper, Ursa, and perform several innovative tasks. Both of its variants are particularly customized to run directly on lower-powered hardware. Nano 1 is specified for reduced memory devices, while Nano 2 is for higher memory devices and helps in performing a variety of tasks. Google Gemini Pro. Gemini Pro is capable of better competing with OpenAI's flagship chatbot ChatGPT now that it efficiently runs on Gemini Pro if Alphabet-owned claims turn out to be true. However, several reports suggested Gemini Pro is far more capable of performing all tasks as compared to GPT 3.5, streamlined for several activities such as brainstorming, drafting, summarizing content, and more. Google Gemini Ultra. Google Gemini Ultra presents the top tier, and it's the LLM model that backs GPT-4. It efficiently conquers the digital realm over GPT-4 in different categories and is way better than GPT-4. It's capable of smoothly comprehending nuanced information related to words, audio, images, coding, and deriving the best insights from complex topics too.